Hello, Madam Asi, someone come who are African Professor One on Filter Platform. One most person, my chairman, my chief linguist, and a Casabo Modern subscribe, share, hit notification bell, tell me a new video be able to Sunan committee. Again, African Professor on Filter Platform, my bason, a freestyle is unfiltered. The ever can be an Ukrainian can in the attempt cold truth. That's all we talk about. Until subscribe will be part of African Professor One family. Let's all move the conversation together. And then, come on, minimum dino. Efa, sa, Eswatini, he now ba Ghana no, but or better Ashanti region, Kumasi, almost bare week in I say 5 days or 6 days. No one knew Otumfuo and person me can teach video. But today me say, now they are using the King of Eswatini's airplane against Otumfuo. What do these tribal bigots want from Asantehene? What do they want from Asantehene? The tribal haters and tribal bigots, what do they want from Asantehene, Otumfuo? Now they are using the King of Eswatini, what is it? Former Swaziland. They are using the airplane, the guy flowing from the Kromono to Accra, no, and they judge Otumfuo status as Asante so why kesi anas why kitu anas the no. What is all this about? Until me say, what do they want from Otumfuo? What exactly do these tribal bigots? I'm from tribal losers. What do they want from Otumfuo? Me can we mra kwa kusi say. And some in Ghana I'm say June 24th as saying the king of Eswatini, I almost say a friend king, Maswati the third. Maswati, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. King Maswati the third. And so by Ghana. And you buy no I drew Ghana, I'm saying drew horse Monday or Tuesday. Or buy Ghana no one president no a Kasawi and a fum or Kokumasi. The plane or the free the chrome, former Swaziland no bar a bar, friends say Ghana no. It's a bigger plane. A Airbus, from my research, a Airbus, 340-300. It means a huge plane because we say there were four, friends say engines, two, two on the wings here, and the two who say propeller and they are all engines, and the two and the two and a bigger plane, all four engines. This is the planes in the long distance Libya. It's Airbus, 340-300, and what they buy a crown. Now because now me church and may be as then I make us say Ghana the reason up to now still no, and you may be BT be brain no, your critical thinking skills no, it just say work it is say we hate to question or challenge some assumptions. Some claims to be any proof just will be naka, obiaka, and I say because it's any passport all kind, you panasum, and I say when you share the same philosophy, and I say the same hatred, and I say the same, idea be about somebody, and I say group of people be, and some grooming because I say be can be no matter what, I say a GD. And yes, I saw my mom, just any money, as a dummies. You see, and that is what is going on. The king of Eswatini or buying what the bigger plane about the Otumfuo and the plane getting and Namutino, or more Otumfuo small. Now being young for be just identity. They just saddened. Now the young one say, Sanko for Kriana. A binum cry him for say, Otumfuo Collandia so baby. Or the private jet neko and see ye money kum yan TB that say Kumasia ye fin and the Kumasia ye say and the Kumasia Ashanti region or here Kofono say a king of Eswatini the bigger player but Sanko for Kroyan and they almost see Otumfuo I will play Kitua and I say or the play Kitua and the Nam as compared to king of Eswatini Intino and ma somehow no Otumfuo status no because of airplane no Otumfuo status no and as Asantehene away no one Asantehene because or he be the bigger player but now tie and some the way Uncle Fu no kasa sano. Now here na Uncle Fu bisu di achire eji sa na mi di no kasa more fire na Uncle Fu we gidi na uchire and now we say Africa pan jack. We have a long we make Africa in America Ghana. We have a long way to go because the way you sit thinking it's so sad, it's so unfortunate, it's so we have a long way to cover because the plane the airplane obi wanna determine somehow no obi traditional status and I say Asantehene so ye king no ni plane or the nam no and they determine so ye king and so ye king. I mean, I don't even understand. The mammy can't say me chum. And I can say, most uncle for ya crazy, tribal bigots, tribal losers, envy people, haters, Mukriana must say, Asantehene, and chair cry, Otumfuo 2 coin, what the private jet ne 2 coin, and Timunti be that. Nadia, most any player or the nomination, that somehow no him or him be a plane so channy, or Asantehene, it somehow they diminish Asantehene status as the king of the Ashantis. What the crap is that? What is that? What's all this coming from? And then I can say, what do these tribal bigots, tribal losers, what do they want from Asantehene? Now make you. First of all, Asante Mensiano, Kumasi. Asante, the seat of Asante, also Kumasi Mensia. You need think about it. Kumasi ni international. You said that ni technically Kumasi ni international, and yet airport ni it's not up to international level yet. A bit more receive larger plane, bigger plane. He said here, King of Eswatini, Edibiba or this year crown. Think about it. Me no more critical thinking. Wow, you're critical thinking is your ability to think clearly and rationally. Now, I face you question some assumptions. Be in the money maybe you should be able to challenge it or be making claim money. I didn't say I bend anymore. You should be able to question those assumptions. Ask some questions. 18% tell say into Otumfuo Kumasi no akoto plane bi ti said the King of Eswatini which Otumfuo kasi will toss our plane bi obetimato na wakoto sa plane because our plane kura sebsebio or any buy no na China for plane it was China for and say so I just want to feel more say some kind of agreement the ma Omar fabrication and I say Omar model plane no yes researcher it but the point is either way and so who say baby first of all the Otumfuo Kumasi and airport and yet up to international standard a bit more receive bigger plane you and the cashier it is say the other buy A340-300 that's a bigger plane Airbus plane it is our plane it me funny part from 295 to 334 and now 35 people and it has a length of about 63.69 meters. So the core feet about 200. The length 208 feet, which is long over 200 plane what, but 208 feet. Until the commeters is 63.69 meters. And I heard a wingspan one, baby, the engine born near my run to be bar two bar engines. We heard the wingspan and I said the width the width is 60.30 meters. I just saw the feet about 197 feet. See the wingspan 197 feet. So from the one wing to another wing, that side 197 feet, which is about 60.30 feet. Plane of a King of Eswatini Dubai and once on the American. And I can height in the height in the meters is about 16.91 meters. And the height is about 55 feet. So who say plane is the city. Okay, now you who play no dimensions you hear Kumasi airport so where critical thinking when I make I say you hear Kumasi you hear Kumasi airport the dimensions are not the size. So you hear Kumasi airport dimensions now. Okay, the length the takeoff. So plane or he did the buy ni take off say take it off se pese etua e take it off uni say ehia bibi like say ehia ba 3,000 meters 3,000 meters. The runaway no, it be 3,000 meters. Sa plane now here in the buy no. It's in feet it's about 9,842.52 feet. Runaway the length no. Enti Kumasi so no tio Kumasi so no take off length no Kumasi length no in meters no 1,980 I'm say 81 I say 89 meters. Enti you the call feet ma it's about 6,502 feet. And a plane no the ohene the buy na make an ohene the buy no ehia 3,000 meters. Kumasi so edie no Kumasi die no 1,981 meters. Think about it. Plane a bit my baby sick Kumasi. It is Asantehene Otumfuo koto sa plane bia. Ehe na plane no de besie. Ehe na otukwa just wafa plane kitwa. The plane kitwa mo ka ho wafa plane kitwa kwa Accra. No akwako. Mokure ya so na motiwa maka se he. Ena huhu Asantefo de sie ka chem ze huhu. Plane kura wo toy no kura no. Esi baby na ati baby. Mo airport money international. You see, you are the same people. Kofo we more the same people. And number can mutie ni yo. Mo kura number can. Now say so here Kumasi take off distance no. Plane like the ohene the free Eswatini the buy no. Eno be see ehia say take off ehia by 3,000 meters. Run away. Until you the coffee to my 9,842.52 feet. Sa take off no. And nun ehia sa long the year sa na take off. Kumasi a year no 8,981 meters. Would the coffee to more 6,000 by 502. With this plane back Kumasi. Etina or Henry do Accra no. We do plane see what or they unya break to be the free ho e ba Kumasi no. Nam see Otumfuo nkoto sa plane bi. No ti Kumasi. They plane hanga nesi hini isi Accra. Oh really? Mukure ya Ghana fo bibia mbanya ho asamaka. Mokwa na nyasa ko hin ba nyina wo mutrim. Nanso hwe de Ghana aye. Bibia Otumfuo make move bia mbanya ho asamaka. Enam sa ho ya ne hatred ni bigotry ntino. Chese wona enya na obi nya sabia ko be wonya wonya ntino. Ayem enti so de mechira no. Enti Otumfuo nkoto sa plane bi. Na chese plane no nesi Accra na Otumfuo Kumasi. Plane ntimi land Kumasi because the take off distance in Accra Kumasi no is so short. Enya so more expanded is Kumasi plane no is Kumasi bet airport met my I receive planes akese sa say Airbus 340-300 na nya a year take off a year distance runaway distance about 3,000 meters and I said 9,842.52 feet and sana sa plane bi atima landing nti wonkoto plane no ensi ho ka kura wo tu kwa ne convoy wo de nam no nya ho asa ka se and wakoto cars bebre ene Kumasi mo hwe Kumasi fi nkurase fo bi Kumasi bon ede nsem bebre and two another thing is who say Eswatini no sa wo hin no buy no we absolute monarch ye ka say absolute monarch just wono no wono na ye law wono na ye law on the obekan fana judiciary say Ghana your parliament ni ade hono parliament na wo hono rubber stamp the obekan and a law a decree obi antimi challenge oba openo no say trouble be opo baabo mu no this one what choose ansana o choose oba wi ansana the aka no mu matima ko choose bi that's the country Swaziland na say Eswatini that's what they want sabi na Otumfuo wono Ghana kakre kura the position wono na mu jealous so and when you are hene and you know hene bia Ghana we paramount chief like everybody ubenya ahimfu bia ho yafo bi tinche say wo tu kwan with the private jet and eko na wakwakoto sa plane ka se say de so mukro ya na mbeka na mebusa mo say de mu use o hene bi plane o de ba Ghana o de be sra Otumfuo wa betena ho be 4-5 days Seka President Mahama ko hene ko Ghana nya Mahama ti no ba Ghana so hwem o ba Kumasi o ba Accra o di just how many hours no di wa Accra o wi an o ba Kumasi no ye ni bibia o wi Saturday o ko enti ne we kira o se o hena me kan se o hene ne o hene ene himu o hene enti so mu se Kinshasa ade bia meka Kinshasa wo invite Asantehene wo nim se o hene ene o hene na ebo national teams Premier League for neighbor. second division for ni second division, third division. Asantehene e play Premier League. And only Premier Kings, in a move. And to who so we are second division and third division here. But baby tina nature we are there. And the play doesn't determine the status of a king. Playing doesn't determine that. What Asantehene kotosa playing be. If you crash smaller one cry, if say it be a 2-engine player, 2-engine one say a little bit smaller one a D we are chinoa. Mon Korea ambassador wasam and the Kumasi Asante region who fin and the Kwanya and Otumfuo kotoa plane and the plane of the Indian Mukorea Nambaka Musanko for Mun Kanokra Musoya Sunday Bianma Kusia sorry them. Then Yakupo Bass as you know, Obitua Kama and Kanokre. The person Joseph. So if you play the dimensions now here Kumasi Airport near the idea. There's no point in Otumfuo koto plane. Cassette say A340-300. What you could see a hinifa. The plane in bit my belandi Kumasi Airport. Kumasi Airport standard Rusa Airbus 340 that's a so more money no margin that form or be a cancer be no plane no somebody's plane doesn't determine any plus Swaziland and I say Eswatini no one of the Obakana fana where absolute monarch one a parliament one a judiciary one a executive into the Obakana fana. Is that what we have in Ghana? Even King Charles crown one absolute monarch. So minima King Charles is not an absolute monarch. And Timothy Ghana, my kiting, will be a cancer be an amugidi. The command person, Mrs. said here, the Otumfuo or the Yadu be playing in a determined Otumfuo status. Hey, Ghana for where we African professors subscribe, share with friends and family. I talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.